Imagine this. It's the end of the month, your paycheck is gone, rent is due, and your credit card bill is staring back at you like a horror movie villain. Scary, right? But here's the truth. You're not alone. Most 18 to 30-year-olds in the US are stuck in this endless cycle of earning, spending, and stressing. But what if I told you there's a simple formula that could flip the script? A way to manage your money without needing an MBA, spreadsheets, or living on instant noodles. Stick with me because today I'm breaking down the 50-30-20 rule, the simplest budgeting system that could literally change the rest of your financial life. Here's the hard truth. If you don't control your money now, your money will control you later. Overspending on wants, ignoring savings, and falling into debt, that's the fast track to financial chaos. Think about it. How many times have you promised yourself, next month I'll save, only to watch Amazon, DoorDash, and Netflix eat up your paycheck? Don't worry, I've been there too. But the good news? Budgeting doesn't have to feel like punishment. In fact, with the right framework, it can actually give you freedom. And that's where the 50-30-20 rule comes in. First, the big one. 50% of your income goes to needs: rent, groceries, utilities, car payments, insurance. The essentials that keep your life running. Now, here's the catch. Many people convince themselves that Starbucks lattes or Uber rides are needs. Spoiler, they're not. Needs are about survival, not convenience. Here's a quick challenge. Next time you buy something, ask yourself, if I lost my job tomorrow, would I still need this to survive? If the answer is no, congrats, it's a want. And we'll get to those in a second. Here's the fun part. 30% of your income is for wants. Yes, you actually get to enjoy your money. Vacations, dining out, gaming, concerts, shopping sprees, they belong here. But here's where people mess up. They flip the formula, spending 70% on wants and 30% on needs. That's why most people live paycheck to paycheck. Pattern interrupt. Imagine explaining to your landlord that you can't pay rent because you needed a PS5. Not gonna fly. This category is about balance. Enjoy life, but don't let your future self pay the price for today's fun. And finally, the secret weapon. 20% goes to savings and debt repayment. This is where real wealth begins. Emergency fund, investments, paying off high-interest credit cards. This is the money that future you will thank presents you for. Here's the exciting part. Once you consistently save and invest this 20%, something magical happens. Your money starts working harder than you do. That's the key to building real freedom. And trust me, when you see how fast it can grow, you'll never look at money the same way again. So here's the shift. Instead of letting money slip through your fingers, the 50-30-20 rule gives you a simple map. 50% for needs, 30% for wants, 20% for savings and debt. No fancy tools, no complicated math, just a clear path to financial freedom. Now here's the real secret. It's not just about budgeting, it's about what happens when that 20% starts compounding. And that's where true wealth is built. So before you click away, watch my next video on the power of compounding. It will blow your mind how a small habit today can turn into financial freedom tomorrow. Click the end screen now, and I'll see you there.